actually never played with a ball this size before. Not something so as heavy. She actually looks like she's going bowling there. For her once she pushes it into a corner. She can't seem to get it out again and it's just stuck there for a long time. Okay, let me just give her a hand. There she goes. Look, this really jewelry full of saliva ball. It's really wet, and yeah, it sort of looks to me like she's finished everything. You can see one chamber has been emptied, and then there's 5 chambers left. And by rights, the toy should be emitting that ting ting sound once it reaches the timer, which I right now set for 15 minutes. So we can sort of take a break while she tries to convince herself that there's no more kibble left until it sounds again. I really like the concept of this toy because there's very little involvement from the human. And there she goes carrying it away into a crate, I think. She just wants to put it on a surface where she knows the ball won't roll very much. That's actually, or more so that she can control the rolling of the ball. It can be frustrating when something doesn't go your way. There goes the ting ting. So by rights, next time if the dog is snoozing, the dog is resting, she would know that when the ting ting sound comes on, it means that some of the kibble in the other chambers have been released, and she can now come and get more food. And it's really great, especially if nobody's home. This is a very safe toy for the dog to play with by herself without human supervision. Okay, unless you have like extremely dangerous things that are breakable, which, because Donna is a very safe dog, we've always have rather dangerous things at home, unfortunately. This is a ceramic bowl which we've had for 2 years. It's her water bowl and she has never really destroyed it. And there she goes again, the ball on the mat. She really likes to stop it from moving. I think she finds it very handy from her days of playing with other intelligent treat dispenser toys. That's what she has learned from those other toys, and which she appears to have transferred those learnings to this new toy that she's got. The bowl is supposed to be pretty durable, so even if she keeps biting at the hair or scratching at the hair, it should not wear out too soon because she's not really aggressively chewing it. She's just grabbing at the hair and scratching it to try to get more cable out. She's not chewing it. She's not using it as a chew toy. Is there any more in there? It's kind of really fun because I'm just sitting here wasting time and watching my dog play and trying very hard to play with a new toy. And she's probably working out her brains. Yeah, her brains are very active now because you're really trying very hard to get the treats out. And in fact, what I've used here is in treats, kibble, and it's really part of the instruction because what the instruction said was to use kibble only. And so I've used kibble only for her. It's not extra food or anything, it's really her mealtime kibble. The instructions, you're so fast. I just idly told it. The instruction says to use 2 cups of kibble, but actually Donna doesn't even eat 2 cups of kibble a day. She eats 1 cup because I give her canned food for the other parts of her meal, and then she gets pure meat treats as well. So I didn't put 2 cups even though the instruction says I only put 1 cup, which is what she gets on a daily basis, and it works out fine. She's still having fun with the toy. Finish it all already, darling. You finished it all. She's just paying attention to the toy and totally ignoring me. Aren't you? Got a new toy now, you don't want mommy anymore.